let's go through the analysis. I'm going to be using well trade. And in case you don't know the book for well trade, I will leave a link in the description for you to open an account with well trade, and of course you have access to this synthetic market and of course see the Forex market. But today we'll be checking out the synthetic market. We'll be starting off with the FX volume 20. Remember, we do this every single day. Every day we do this. So tomorrow again, definitely keeping you informed. And that said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you're not a member of the family, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget watching this on Facebook and TikTok. Hit the follow button and please be sure to share this with your colleagues and drop a comment in the comment section. That said, let's go straight to today's analysis. Starting off with FX volume, and of course, the H4. Let's already mark our recent levels. Of course, we can see this is already a bullish market. So just marking the low we can see currently. Alright, I think okay, it's back. So moving into this, I can see the testing of this level. So that means let's just go straight to the 15-minute chart, see if we can see change of structure on the bullish side for us to go long on this. Remember, we are looking for just long trades, no short trades. And then on this yet, we can't really see any what's it called, any good entering opportunity for us. Why? Because the market has already moved to this level. So that means we trading. So that means we actually going long. It means that stop has to be here, which is a bit too wide for a risk to reward, for a good risk to reward. So that means just keep fingers crossed to see what FX volume 20 does as they goes by. So on FX volume 20, please keep your fingers crossed and wait for what the market does. If you can get a break below this, then it'll be nice. If you can get a break above this, if you can get maybe a break above this level right here, you can get a break. Let me just use this to mark it out so it's a bit clearer. A break above this level ahead, then you can think of going long on that. Otherwise, let's see what happens. It's going to get here. All right, that's that for FX volume 20. So go to the next one, which is going to be the break 600. Okay. So here is break 600. So you're going to the H42. And it seems also to also be on a bullish. Okay, at least that's already moved drastically. So there's almost nothing you can do right here. So let's see just 15 minutes chart. You can see a change of structure, a recent one. Still nothing. So fingers as well crossed on this. You're not doing anything. Just leave book 600 at least for today, and let's check out other pairs. You can see something nice from there. So going to that, we're going to gain 600. Or let's check out gain 400. Let's use gain 400 instead. Let's use gain 400. That's what we usually use every day. So instead of 600, let's just use our normal one, which is 400. We won't be using. Okay. Then we go to the H4. Taking this down. I'm marking the levels. And since we're on the bullish side, that means what you'll be looking at is just a break above this, the retracement for go long on that. Otherwise, on the bearish part of it, if you can see a change of structure on the bearish part, then we target this next level. So let's go to the 15 minutes chart to confirm that. So here is the recent level right here. So here is the internal low where we have. So let's see if we can get a break below this for us to go short to the next level. That means the break above this, then we should be short to the next level. Otherwise, wait for the market to break above this. So that means where we are keeping our levels is either below this or above this. And that's that for gain 400. So go to the next one, which is going to be pain. As I see, it's no pain, no gain. And of course, be checking out pain 400 too. Okay, so the H4. Okay, to H4. Alright, I think this is going to be the last one for today. Okay, then this level 2. Okay, testing this and then rejecting. So let's go straight to the 15 minutes chart. See if you can see our levels for us to actually go long. Is it any structure recently broken? And yes, I think let's see if this candle is going to close bearish. This closing bearish or closing as this inverted armor. They want to see the bearish candle fully close below this. Then they actually think of going short on that. All right. So what do you want to see? What you want to see is what you want to see is going below this, then closing below this level. Remember, if this closes this, we want to see a bearish candle close below this, then we wait for continuation to go to this next level right here. Why are we doing that? Because of what we actually saw on our H4. Remember, please, we are taking trade on this for scalping purposes. On day trade, we want to wait for the market to actually get below this for us to continue in the bearish moment. If we can get a break below this, then we're going to continue on the bearish part of it. And remember, if you're not used to this market, this is actually available on Well Trade. You can also check them out on Well Trade. The link is in the description for you to register an account with them just in case you don't have an account. All right, that's it. Go to the next one, which is going to be the Flip X1. All right. So this is flip X1, and of course we'll be starting with the H4, and I think this is the H4 already. Yeah. So just looking at it, you can see it has been on a bullish for a long time, but then seems we are having the changing momentum already to the bearish part of it. But we can't confirm that until we can see the market breaking below this for us to confirm that. So what we're going to be waiting for is to see what the market does. It can break below this level or 10 above this level. So this is the range they'll be keeping this market right now. So that's what we'll be waiting for. Either it breaks above or it breaks below this. So if it breaks above this, then we'll be looking also to continue in the bullish part of it. But then if it happens to break below this, they'll be looking to continue in the bearish part of it. So this is what we're looking at on Flip X1. So please, I think this is going to be the end of the analysis on the cover with World Trade. Just like I said earlier, if this is the first time coming across my video, we drop this every single day. So please don't forget to check the description. I'll be dropping a link there for you to register an account. If you don't have an account with them, if you have an account already, that's no problem. Always come here every single day to make sure just compare this analysis to yours and use it to check out which way to balance the trade for each single day. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose.